Assalamu alaikum. My name is Shohidul Islam. I am 22 years old. My hometown Nator. I am currently a student of BHC in Textile Engineering at Daffodil International University. My average CGPA 3.08 out of 4. I have completed my higher secondary certificate from Patul Hapania High School and College with GPA 4.25 out of 5. I completed my secondary school certificate from Patul Hapania High School and College with GPA 4.06 out of 5. I chose textile engineering because I have analysis is fascinated how to fabric function together innovation so far my academic journey has been from interesting project lab experiment then helped me to understanding real life opportunity of what are learned about study at the Daffodil International University. I always try to stray with development in sustainable to textile and smart fabric, textile manufacturing, fabric analysis, quality control, dyeing and garments technology. Because I believe that's future. Daffodil International University about dyeing and synthetic fabric, which is natural dye. Now talk about my skill. First of all, basic knowledge of textile engineering and management skill, teamwork, then basic computer skill, MS Word, Microsoft Word, Adobe After Effects, PowerPoint, AutoCAD, Excel. I am hardworking and honest person. Thank you for watching my video resume.